Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in this video, we are going to look at the top 5 stocks to buy below rupees 100. And yes, this is the portfolio review of our 2 months old portfolio, which we created when I released top 5 stocks to buy in August 2022. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the like button on this video and do subscribe to my channel. The portfolio looks like this, and you will see that the portfolio has already given returns of 24.6% in last 2 months. Whereas if you will look at the Nifty 50 index or even at the mid cap index or the bank Nifty index, the indexes has corrected roughly 2 to 5% in last 2 months. Which means that our portfolio has outperformed the Indian equity market. Looking at the stocks, which all stocks are in our portfolio, the first stock which we picked was IDFC First Bank. The second stock we discussed in the video was Renuka Sugar, GMR Infrastructure, Trident and Zomato Limited. Now, the video which I am discussing in this particular video is top 5 stocks to buy below rupees 100. This is the introductory video on my channel as well. You can go and check this video and see how we analyze these stocks and what made us buy these particular stocks on the current market price. Talking about the first stock, first stock in my list is a private banking sector stock. Yes, it is a stock with very small market cap as well as the current market price. The first stock is IDFC First Bank, which is trading at a price of 43 rupees. Yeah. So you can see here that the first stock which we picked in the video was IDFC First Bank. Today, if you will look at the IDFC First Bank returns, you will see that the IDFC First Bank has already given me a return of 34%. The bank has given me a 34% return in just a span of 2 months. And talking about why I believe that the banking sector will do well, or can you buy this particular stock at current price? The answer is yes. Currently, the IDFC First Bank is trading at a level of 53 rupees, and the first immediate support for the bank is rupees 50. If you find this particular stock at a price range of 50 rupees or for a price range of 46, definitely you can plan to invest in this particular company. Now the reason why I believe that this company is going to do well, one of the reason coming from the RBI hikes repo rate. Eventually, to curb down the inflation in the economy, RBI is continuously going to increase the interest rate hikes. The interest rate hikes eventually help banking sector or banking financials company to improve their book or improve their balance sheet by increasing the interest on the loan they have paid out. So this is one of the reasons why I believe that the IDFC First Bank, or for say rest of the banking sector, can eventually do well in coming quarters and in coming years. Now talking about the second stock. Yes, the second stock which was on my list in this particular video was GMR Infrastructure from its top level. So I see that there is a huge margin of safety available in terms of GMR Infrastructure, and this company can do really well in coming. So now the second stock which we discussed in this video was GMR Infrastructure. Going to the portfolio, you will see that the GMR Infrastructure has not given that many returns, but it has also provided a 6.8% return in last 2 months. The stock went up to the price of 38. I'll show you in the chart, but it has corrected significantly with the market. And I believe that again, this particular stock is a good buy at the current levels. One of the reasons why these particular company, or why the infrastructure companies are falling right now, is because of, again, RBI raising the interest rate hikes, and there are high chances that they have to pay out a lot of interest on the debt they have taken. The ideal buying price for this particular company comes out to be 34 to 34.50 rupees. You can see that the stock already gave a run up till 41 rupees in last couple of weeks, and I believe that this is the first target for the company, roughly around 40 rupees in coming days. If you want to do a short-term trade or a safe trade, then definitely you can plan to invest in GMR Infra. It has not moved much and it has come down to its support level right now. The third company which we discussed in the video was, you can take it here, name is Renuka Sugar. So I'm very bullish in this particular stock, and I have this stock in my portfolio as well since the level of 40 rupees. You can see that the current market price for this company is 48 rupees, and it has given good returns in past 1 or 2 years for their investors. The market cap is again very. So the third stock which I'm going to discuss in this video is Shri Renuka Sugar. Yes, I told you in the video that I personally hold this stock, and this stock has given me exponential returns. If you will see, Renuka Sugar, we bought at a price level of 44.8 in this portfolio, and the stock has already given massive return of 40% in just span of 2 months. I'm talking about 2 months, and it has given us 40% return. So this is the chart of the Renuka Sugar, where you will see that from the moment we entered in this stock, the stock consolidated a little and then gave a breakout, and now is currently trading near its all-time high of 62.80 rupees. The immediate support for the company comes out to be the level of 57 rupees, roughly here, and the next support will be the level of 50, which is also a psychological support for the company. If you find this particular company in coming days to come down, or if the profit booking happens in this particular stock, then definitely you can plan to invest in this particular company at a price level of 50 rupees. Now, why I was bullish on the Renuka Sugar that time also, and why I'm bullish on Renuka Sugar today, is the reason that the Indian government wants to start ethanol blending in petroleum in order to reduce the price of the petrol and diesels. Now, one of the reasons why this particular stock gave a breakout from the levels of 40 or 50 is India pips Brazil to become the largest producer of sugar. Yes, now the India is expanding their sugarcane business or the sugar business exponentially, and there are high chances that our exports might increase in coming days, in coming future, which can eventually benefit the companies or the sugar stocks like Shri Renuka Sugar, Praj Industries, and Dwarkesh Sugar, where you can plan to invest systematically. The fourth stock which we discussed in our video has not given us a very good return so far, but I believe that eventually this particular stock can also outperform. Portfolio in my video is of Trident Group. Yes, they are into the textile industries, and this stock has been in news from last couple of years with its huge returns. The company has corrected well in past 1 year and is currently trading at a price of 40 rupees. So yes, the stock which we discussed fourth is Trident Group. You will see that Trident Group has not given us good returns. But they have given a return of 5.4% in last 2 months, which is fairly enough in comparison to what market has given you. We bought this particular stock at a level of 36.25 rupees, and it has been since trading to the level of 35 to 40 range. And I believe that soon enough this particular stock can also give a breakout and can go up to the level of 50 rupees in coming days. Looking at the Trident Limited stock, you will see it's a range bound stock. There are low volumes, but I believe it is very unlikely that this particular stock gonna go below to the level of 35. If you find this particular stock at a level of 35, then definitely you can plan to invest in this particular company. Even the current price is not bad price for the Trident Group to invest in, but due to the volatilities of the market, due to the huge corrections happening in the US market, I believe that it should come down to the level of 35, and then definitely you can plan to invest in this particular company, and you can take the target of 40 first, and then it can go up till 50 rupees in coming months. Last but not the least, the final stock which we are going to discuss in this video is of, here you go. Okay. Zomato, yes. Now they are going to change the company name to Eternal because they have been addition of Blinkit and Hyperpure into their businesses, which can generate revenue for this particular company, and they are changing the Zomato name to the Eternal. The market cap for this particular company is 43,244 crore, which is more than any company which we have discussed so far on our list. The current market price is of rupees 54. Again, the company is a loss-making company, But I believe that if you are someone who likes to invest in a business or a startup in early stage and you see a future in this particular company, this is one company you should definitely, or you can definitely bet on. So yes, the company we are going to discuss is Zomato. Now, looking at the Zomato Limited, I already discussed that if you believe in the future of the company, you should definitely invest in the early stage of these companies, these startups where they are acquiring a lot of businesses, they are doing a lot of changes to increase their profit margins to grow further in future. You will see that in our portfolio, we bought Zomato at a rupees of 54.2. This is the exact same price which we discussed in the video, and it has already given a return of 28.3%. Disclaimer that I bought this stock at the level of 45 rupees in my personal portfolio, and I am holding the stock of Zomato from the level of 45. Again, I see this stock going to the level of 70. Sorry, it has already touched 70, and I see this particular company to go to the level of 80 in coming days. There are huge potential that this particular stock can come here and touch the 20 days 200 days moving average, and if it is able to sustain the level of 200 days moving average, and there will be a sideways pattern or the consolidation pattern happening around the 80 rupees, then definitely this particular stock can hit to the level of 100 in coming months. I am very bullish on this particular stock. You can see that the huge volumes were coming in for this particular company at the price level of 50 rupees, and I believe it is very unlikely that this particular stock gonna break the level of 50 in coming days. So I hope I was able to give you a good overview of the companies which I bought, and why these companies are one of the best stocks below 100 rupees. And definitely you should look at these companies and see the macros of the economy, how and why, where we are moving, what are the balance sheets look like of these companies. I have already discussed these stocks in detail on my intro video of top 5 stocks to buy below rupees 100. You can definitely go and check the financial sheets of this company. And if you like the video, please make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. That's it for today, guys. Thank you.